thank you so much for being a part of this campaign. Please share with us your views on the same.
Good afternoon, everyone. Well, I've been a brand ambassador for one of the leading hair brands, I think not just in India, according to me, in the world, which is Head and Shoulders. We've had a wonderful working relationship. We respect each other. I respect the fact that it's helped me a lot through, ever since I've started using Head and Shoulders, whether it's, the anti-dandruff earlier or now the anti-hair fall. I think I'm proud to, actually say that I'm proud of my lovely locks and I'm proud of my hair only because I think I use Head and Shoulders. I maintain this beautiful hair which you all keep talking about thanks to the brand that I'm absolutely loyal to.
Wow, that's wonderful. And we are proud to have you here. So you and Saif are considered one of the biggest style icons of the country and also one of the most lovable couples. So how do you manage to keep your spark alive?
Well, I think that, when there's love and when there's warmth and respect, there's definitely a spark. And hopefully that spark will never really die. That's what I believe. We both immensely respect each other. And of course, both of us are loyal brand ambassadors to Head and Shoulders. And yes, I think apart from the fact that we respect each other, I think Saif is very, very attracted to the fact that I have long hair. He never allows me to cut it. That is one thing that he's told me ever since the day I'm married, that don't lose your long hair or cut your hair, even whether it's for a film role. So, I don't think that's something that I would ever do is, probably go bald. I'll lose my brand and my husband.
I'm sure that's not going to happen, right? All right. So ever since you entered the industry, your beauty has been the center of all conversations. So, how much effort does it really take in maintaining such lovely, gorgeous hair, Kareena?
Well, it's definitely a little difficult because of the working conditions and the products that are used constantly in our hair. For different hairstyles or for different, looks that we have to keep doing. But I think the fact that, I keep my scalp hydrated, I try to protect, my hair fall, which does happen. And I think everyone in the room suffers from hair fall because every human being, man or woman, there is a time of year which has, that you constantly try to have that amount of hair fall, excessive hair fall at that particular time. But I think Head and Shoulders has come up with this new shampoo, and I think that's what I keep using 2-3 times a week, and it's really transformed my hair. It keeps it hydrated because of the sun that I think we're all in most of the time. Working conditions outdoors, like I just shot my last film in 50 degrees. Wow. So I was in Goa and in Hyderabad, so at least 2-3 times a week I was trying to, use the Head and Shoulders shampoo, and I think it's worked, for me, as it's there for everyone to see now.
Of course, and it looks beautiful. So tell me, Kareena, have you ever faced any embarrassing moments due to your hair fall, or did your romance with Saif ever get hampered due to hair fall or dandruff? Tell us something interesting and fun.
Well, I think Saif is also known for his locks right from the Ole Ole time. He's one actor who's maintained his hair as long as the heroine's hair is flying, but the Saif also has, he has a mane. He's like a lion because his hair is what, I think his USP has always been since the 90s. Also, I think that, yes, it is a great turn-off to actually, share the same bathroom and, see that there's so much of hair in the drain, or to just see that, constantly there's, probably some hair or dandruff on, your spouse's shoulders, on a black t-shirt. I think these are things that are slightly, turning off to a woman and a man, vice versa. But according to me, I think I've been very lucky. I'm very particular about my hair, and so is Saif. But I'm sure there have been embarrassing moments for everyone out here in the room, So I think that's why for that, Head and Shoulder has now come up with 2 separate shampoos. One is hair retain for men and anti-hair fall for women, which I think, solves this magical problem of embarrassing moments.
That's true. We always hear of this special touching moment where you went for this motorcycle ride with Saif. You want to tell us a little bit about that?
Well, yeah, I think I'm not very fond of bikes and fast cars, everyone knows, but yes, Saif is very into bikes and fast cars, so in Tashan he asked me to come on a bike ride, and
wow.
Obviously I wanted to be a part of the ride, but I think what actually also drew me closer to him on the bike was the fact that he had nice smelling hair and the fact that, yeah, I think that, Saif has a clean scalp and that kind of helps in, I think, relationship building also. It is important, having a good set of hair is really, really important. And I think that is, yeah, could be one of the reasons, not the major reason, but yes.
Of course, and that's very adventurous and a fun story. So, you're the grooming expert for the day. Wow, that's amazing. What advice would you like to give our young couples who are sitting out here? Because we all look up to you as an icon.
Well, I mean, I think that the fact that, if an actor who works in such, different and difficult circumstances, they're constantly, kind of tampering with their hair, or we use different products constantly, if we can maintain our, scalps and our hair fall using Head and Shoulders, I'm quite sure the young generation of today can do the same.
That's true. Kareena, we often tend to overlook the minor details in relationships, and it's very important to shed light on what is the important or the pivotal part hair fall can play in foiling special moments. So I would like to call on stage Shalini and Rohit, who will share with us a tale of spoilers caused due to this hair fall and dandruff. So let's have them on stage, please. All right, you can have enough of her because there's going to be lots more. So welcome Shalini and Rohit. And as you know, you're here to speak about the dandruff and the ruined moments, romantic moments. So could you please share with us your story?
Yeah. First of all, I would like to thank for having us here. And it's a very special moment to share our... First of all, thank you all for having us here, and it's always a pleasure to share our special moments with all of you as well as with Kareena. And it was a special moment in my life, and it was our first marriage anniversary. And Rohit planned a very special romantic dinner date for myself. And
yeah, it was a romantic dinner, and it was a surprise for her.
so, as every girl dreams, I was looking forward to it. I was quite excited. And, to look my best, I chose a dreamy white dress. And I decided to go for best of the makeup and hair so that I catch all the attention of my man and he's all into me. And I was all dressed up and best of my makeup and hair that day.
She was looking really beautiful. I mean,
Whoa.
cannot explain.
Thank you. And I was so successful in catching his attention, and he was all into me. And then that moment came when out of love he touched my hair. And that actually spoiled the moment because few of my hair strangled into his fingers and they fall off. Okay. So you can understand what kind of situation it was for me, and it became memorable, but believe me, Kareena, not in a nice way.
And I'm sure then after that, Head and Shoulders has transformed your hair and your life.
Exactly. That is what I want to know from you. I mean, how I can make it more special, and I make sure that this never happens in future.
Well, I think that this has happened to quite a few people, but Head and Shoulders being a trusted brand, a brand that I think, most of the world uses for anti-dandruff or has sworn by anti-dandruff earlier. Now, I am swearing by the anti-hair fall, and I think half the young generation wants to try that out. So I think you should, because it can, it can change lives.
I think I should give it a try, and I'm sure most of the coming anniversaries will be as beautiful as yours in SAS.
Yes, well, I'm sure.
Yeah, I'm sure that it must have really hurt, like whatever happened, and must be like, oh God, I hope this never happens again.
Exactly.
But Kareena, you're the grooming expert, so we would like to ask you that if you were ever stuck in such a situation, what would be your one-stop solution, and how would you go ahead and really save the day?
Well, I would tie my hair up. That's the only solution that I can think of. And you can still look beautiful and glamorous with your hair tied. And, it also gives you a sense of confidence, because I know at that point of time, you just lose confidence. And I think a woman is all about, knowing herself and believing in herself. So, I think a quick solution would be to just tie your hair up like what I like doing.
And I think you should avoid, you should hint your men not to touch your hair that day.
Okay. No, use Head and Shoulders and then you can get your hair stroked.
Well, that's a nice solution, and we keep that in mind. Now, the festive season is around, and everyone's quite excited. It's around the corner. So, any advice that you would like to give to the young couples present here so that every moment can be really special?
Well, I think, enjoy every moment, like definitely. I think everyone knows that Shraddh is over and now, Navratras and Dhanteras and Diwali is coming in. It's a very, very popular time, especially back in India, for the Hindus and everyone to come together for the family. So I think that, just feel good, eat what you want and use Head and Shoulders.
Wow, that's lovely. So feel good, eat what you want, and use Head and Shoulders. We are going to keep that in mind. So to celebrate Pyar Ke No Side Effects, we have some couples who have won the contest, and they are running on the Head and Shoulders social media page. And they are present here to join Kareena on being free of all side effects and have beautiful, healthy hair. So on behalf of Head and Shoulders and all of us present here, we would like to say no to Pyar Ke side effects. And thank you, Kareena, Shalini and Rohit, for lending your support to the campaign. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you, Shalini and Rohit. You can leave.
मैं 4 फुटिया भी नहीं हूँ, थैंक यू. एक्चुअली इस फिल्म में 3-4 फुटिया छोकरे थे. अभी शूट के दौरान तो अभी 5 फुटिया के हो गए हैं. बट द बैकड्रॉप इज सोशल, द सोशल इश्यू ऑफ चाइल्ड